adhesive on the two ends of my fan folded strip. And then I'm going to take those ends and I'm going to press them together. Hold it for just a couple seconds and let that glue set. And I can see here that one of the ends is slightly longer, so I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to trim off that excess so that my rosette will lay nice and flat once I open it up. So I'm going to let that set for a couple minutes here while we punch out our circle to use as our base. This is the part that the doily, the medallion, is going to be attached to. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take some glue dots and I'm going to cover that circle with some adhesive. You could also cover it with some score tape or whatever else, whatever other adhesive that you prefer. But I'm just going to put some glue dots on the center of that circle. Just kind of cover up most of the circle with adhesive. So then we can take our rosette here, which should be pretty well dry, that glue. I'm going to make sure that those ends aren't coming apart. And I'm going to kind of gather it up and place the center right in the center of that punched circle over top of the adhesive, and then just go ahead and push it down. And I'm going to press kind of around the edges there, make sure it's holding. You can add some extra adhesive under there too as well if it doesn't seem to be holding. And I'm just going to kind of straighten out the pleats and make it lay nice and flat. And that's really all there is to it. And then you can top it off with another punch circle and some buttons, whatever you want to embellish the center of that with. I'm just taking a 3/4 inch circle punch and I'm going to put that over the center with a glue dot. Covers up that center hole there. And then you can top it off with a button as well, which I have a Raspberry Fizz button here that I have threaded already. I'm just going to take some liquid adhesive and adhere that right to the center. And that's all there is to it, really. It's pretty simple. So that's all for my do-it-yourself embellishment for today, and I hope you can put it to good use here with all of our Stamper Fair activities. I hope you're having a great time. This has been Betsy Veldman for Paper Tray Ink.